Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about how to buy scallions, also known as green onions. Let's get to it. So the thing that's really important with scallions is you really want to look at the vibrancy of the color on them. And I tend to really look at the middle area, that's sort of in between green, because that's where you really see the freshness. As scallions grow, like these longer, deeper green, tubular herb parts, you know, they can get a little wilted, and that's not uncommon. Some of the leaves will wilt and you'll have to peel them off as you're prepping them. So I really look for this green part here because that's really where you see the vibrancy and you can kind of tell if they're fresh or not. The other thing that I really look for is the roots. If the scallions have already had those roots chopped off, don't buy those. They're not gonna last long, they're probably not gonna taste good, the freshness is just gonna be gone because that root on there is what actually keeps that freshness in. So that's really important, is to have that root. The other thing that you can kind of do is just sort of feel on the white part a bit and just, does it feel firm? If it's really soft, you don't want that scallion. I do the same thing with the longer green end part too. Like I said, it's not uncommon to have some of the longer green parts kind of wilt and you'll have to clean those off when you're prepping it. But the ones that are still in decent condition, they should have a little bit of firmness to them. They should feel tubular, so that's really important with the scallions also. Now, that said, this longer green part here too, you're probably gonna trim off an inch or two when you're prepping them. So it's not so much about the end of the scallion, but sort of like the middle part. Does it feel like, you know, like a plastic straw, basically? It should feel like a straw that you get like from a restaurant. If it feels kind of like a straw, that same sort of firmness, you know, that scallion is good to go. And that's how you do it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you like to cook like I do, please subscribe. I release new videos every single week. And also, if there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.